It is time. Show me the light round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? So the lightning round. I'm going to start with Osvaldo in Texas. Osvaldo.
Hey, Jim. Booyah. How you doing, buddy?
Booyah. I'm doing well. How about you there, partner?
Doing good. Enjoying this weather. I have a question. What do you think about Weyerhaeuser, ticker WY?
I like the stocks long term. I think you're doing a lot of good things, making a lot of money, and I do think that housing is very strong. Let's go to Maxon in Puerto Rico. Maxon.
Hi, booyah. Happy holidays, Jim.
Oh, same to you. Thank you. Same to you.
Been listening and viewing your program since 2006. So
holy cow, cadre.
Yeah. Well, it's always a pleasure to hear you. I was wondering what do you think about TTWO?
I like Take Two. I watched the trailer for Grand Theft Auto. I thought it was amazing. I've got to tell you, I thought the stock, a lot of people seem to expect that maybe this thing's going to be rushed. It's not. You own the stock because it's a multi-year growth path and because Strauss Zelnick knows how to run an airplane. That's what I would buy. I'd buy it. Let's go to Walter in Virginia. Walter.
Hey, booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Hey, I wanted to give you an opportunity to correct a misstatement you made last time we chatted. Okay. I asked you if you believe a product in a pill could greatly increase your blood flow and give you all the benefits of a bottle of red wine. And you said, I don't believe it exists, but it does. And all the athletes at the NFL Combine with Yo Murphy took it, and it was called Vinia, V-I-N-I-A, by BioHarvest Sciences. And just wanted to give you a chance to look it up and mea culpa. I know you're an honorable man, and I think much of you.
Okay.
So
all right.
I didn't want to leave that way.
All right. No stop.
Today, I'd like to talk about NFE. And where do you see, for me, where do you see the good companies in this industry going? Do they track as a commodity with gas? Okay, look, I think that this is all about Wes Edens being able to have a great vision over a multiple-year period. It reminds me of, right now, reminds me of Cheniere at the beginning. And I think you just buy Wes and you stay long them. Let's go to Chad in Wisconsin. Chad.
Hey, Jim, long-time listener, student of Jim Cramer here.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. Hey, as the market and indexes kind of starting to get a little bit high again, I was starting to think, from Jim Cramer's classes and stuff here, what stocks are like lower right now and that are going to be more in tune with the interest rates potentially like starting to come down. You know what I got thinking? I'm like, stock in the utility sector. I'm like, if the interest starts going down, and those are normally interest rate sensitive when the interest is going down. And, with the stock, 120 billion cap, 3.2 dividend yield, right around 15, 16 PE ratio, I want your opinion on what you think about ticker NEE, Nextera Energy.
Nextera. Okay, look, it's good. We did a few work, a lot of drill downs last week on this group, and we like Sempra, and we like American Electric Power. Those are more our cups of tea. This one, not so much. Let's go to Richard in California. Richard.
Hi, Jim.
What's up?
Today, this company released game-changing news, a partnership with the biggest retailer in the world, Walmart. They're adding breast cancer detection imaging centers in Walmart, the first to open in 2 days. The growth is going to be enormous. This company developed AI and is FDA approved to detect breast cancer 2 years earlier than anyone else and being more accurate. With Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens jockeying to set up the state-of-the-art community healthcare centers, this has got to be the best investment I found in 40 years of being in the market. This is the beginning of RadNet's retail invasion.
Look, I like RadNet very much. We had Dr. Berger on. I thought it was a super story, and I just think I'm going to stick behind it. I also felt that GE Healthcare from that interview was a buy. People don't agree with me on that. I think they're going to be wrong. Let's go to Hunter in Florida. Hunter.
Booyah.
Booyah.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Very well, thank you. I had a question about Stellantis on a 12-month forecast. Should I add to it, sell it, or buy it?
No, just hold on to it because it just had a very big spike. It is by far the best of the group. It's incredible how well it acts, and it's still got a good yield. Let's go to Jeff in New York. Jeff.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. This is Jeff from Sodus, New York. This is Jeff from Sodus, New York, sandwiched between the cold Finger Lakes and the snowy Tokyo Plateau. It sure feels like Christmas around here, Jim.
Unbelievable. It's like a Google Maps service here. I love this guy. What's going on?
With retail doing better this holiday season, I'm wondering if this retailer that's already up 20% in a month is going higher. What do you think of Crocs?
No, too dicey. I would actually even prefer Deckers to Crocs. I feel a little more convinced that Deckers is going to have a better holiday season. Let's go to John in New Jersey. John.
Jim, how you doing this evening?
Oh, well, how about you?
Okay, great, thanks. After disappointing last quarter and the stock kind of just hanging around in the low 50s, when is it time to invest again in Fortinet for this?
Now, see, I got to buy best of breed. That's why I like Palo Alto. I noticed Sentinel reported good. Yeah, it's good things to say. But Palo Alto, to me, is best of breed. Second is CrowdStrike. Let's go to Tyler in California. Tyler.
Hey, Big Booyah from California. How you doing, Jim?
Oh, good to have you on the show, Tyler. What's going on?
So, doing some technical analysis, I see an inverted head and shoulders on Massimo Core. What do you think?
I don't know. They had a tussle with Apple, and I'm just an Apple guy. What can I say? I think that's all you need to know. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, freedom from fossil fuels is an admirable goal. But for certain green stocks, it's buyer beware. Cramer explains when we return.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.